Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Maryam and I am from the Department of BS Chemistry. And today I am here with another course, and this is of joining with Pandas. So let's have a glimpse on the contents. In this presentation, I'll discuss about different types of join, in which I'll cover semi-join, entire join, advanced merging, and ordered merging. So let's talk about the joins one by one. Data merging basics. Inner join. In inner join, it will abstract the data that is present in the both table. For example, let's have a glimpse on the syntax. For example, we have two tables, license and biz owners. We have to merge these. License owner will be the merging, and license dot merge data frame 1 dot merge data frame 2 on account. This is how these will be merged. So left join. In the left join, it will return all the rows from the left table. Also, not only those rows from the right table which are similar to the table of the left side. So let's have a glimpse on this syntax. This is the same as that of the inner join. Data frame 1 merge, data frame 2 on. ID how means which category of join, left join. The next one is right join. Right join will return rows from the right table and from left table that are very similar to the right one. Right join, if you see the right join merging, we can see that data frame 1 merge, data frame 2 how. On right, left on left merge, it is movie ID, on right merge, it is ID. So self join is a joining that is joining with itself. So this is the data frame 1 merge, the data frame 1 on how suffix. We have seen that as we are moving again and again to the next join, we can see there is addition of one thing. In the previous, we have seen only on, and now we are seeing how and suffix also. So now we are moving toward the advanced merging, which are semi-join. It basically returns rows according to the condition that are applied by the user or the server. So let's merge the two tables, that is non-must and the top invoices table, which are on the did. It has same as that of the inner join. And tie join, it will return the results that are not present in the table according to the condition. Merge employees and the top cost. It is same as that of the inner join, but the entire join has an indicator which must be true or false. So concatenation basic. To concatenate, we have to use pd.concatenate and then the columns that are going to be in that table, then the join, which is inner join, and then we have to sort either it is true or false. Merging ordered. This is used to order the result. For example, pd.merge inflation unemployment on date how. We can basically merge the order. Here we have merged the order of the two data frames. Merge as of. It is basically used easily. We can see there are two different data frames or table, GDP or recession, which are merged on date query. It is used for selecting a statement inside a query syntax. Merge GDP and POP on date and country with a fill. Here we are going to use pd.merge.order GDP and POP that are on date and country and with fill. And with fill method, it means fill. And this is my statement of accomplishment from the Python of Datacamp. Thank you. That's all from my side.